QuickBooks versus Gusto payroll software. Choosing the right payroll software can completely change how you manage employee payments without the usual headaches. QuickBooks offers integrated accounting, while Gusto focuses on streamlined payroll and HR features. QuickBooks Payroll and Gusto are two popular payroll solutions designed for small to medium businesses. The core difference lies in QuickBooks' deep accounting integration versus Gusto's emphasis on user-friendly payroll and HR management, making each suited to different business needs. QuickBooks Payroll is a payroll service integrated within the QuickBooks accounting ecosystem. It automates payroll processing by calculating wages, withholding taxes, and filing payroll taxes directly through the platform. Businesses benefit from real-time syncing with their accounting data, simplifying bookkeeping and financial reporting. QuickBooks supports direct deposit, tax payments, and year-end forms, streamlining compliance. Its strengths lie in seamless integration with QuickBooks accounting software, making it ideal for businesses already using QuickBooks for bookkeeping. However, its payroll-specific features are somewhat basic compared to specialized payroll platforms, and the user interface can be complex for beginners. QuickBooks Payroll is best suited for companies prioritizing comprehensive accounting integration alongside payroll, particularly those with existing QuickBooks users who want to consolidate financial management in one place. Gusto is a dedicated payroll and HR platform designed to simplify employee management. It automates payroll calculations, tax filings, and direct deposits with an intuitive user interface that requires minimal setup. Beyond payroll, Gusto offers built-in HR tools such as employee onboarding, benefits administration, time tracking, and compliance support. Its strength is in providing a comprehensive HR experience alongside payroll, appealing to businesses seeking an all-in-one solution. Gusto supports multiple pay schedules and contractor payments with transparent pricing and responsive customer service. While it lacks the deep accounting integration of QuickBooks, it can export payroll data to accounting software. Gusto is ideal for small to medium businesses that want to streamline payroll and HR tasks without complex accounting needs, especially those valuing ease of use and employee self-service features. QuickBooks Payroll excels when integrated accounting is a priority, offering tight bookkeeping synchronization for businesses already using QuickBooks. This makes it efficient for companies focused on financial accuracy and tax compliance within one platform. However, its payroll and HR features are more limited and less intuitive. Gusto, on the other hand, shines with user-friendly payroll automation combined with robust HR tools, ideal for businesses needing a simple, all-in-one employee management system without advanced accounting integration. The trade-off is less seamless bookkeeping, requiring additional steps to sync payroll data with accounting software. For example, a small business with in-house accountants may prefer QuickBooks, while a growing company prioritizing HR compliance and employee experience might choose Gusto. QuickBooks Payroll is recommended for businesses already using QuickBooks accounting, seeking integrated financial management alongside payroll processing and tax compliance. Gusto is the better choice for companies wanting an easy-to-use payroll system with comprehensive HR features and strong employee support. Its intuitive platform helps simplify payroll and HR tasks, making it ideal for businesses focused on growth and employee satisfaction.